Fundamental rights and duties. For the development of individual and the country, some freedom and rights are necessary. Hence, our Constitution has given some fundamental rights and duties to its citizens. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, an Indian lawyer and politician, was independent India's first law minister and the principal architect of the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law that lays down rights and duties for its citizens and the government to facilitate the smooth functioning of the country. India has the world's longest and most detailed constitution. The Constitution is a book that lists down all the fundamental laws necessary for governing a country. Meaning of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic rights given to an individual by the Constitution for his development. Types of fundamental right. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು. ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಶೋಷಣೆಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಸಂವಿಧಾನಬದ್ಧ ಪರಿಹಾರದ ಹಕ್ಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. All are equal before the law. Nobody is above the law, and all deserve equal protection are the aspects included in right to equality. The government cannot discriminate on the basis of religion, caste, sect, gender, or place of birth. It cannot restrict entry to shop, hotel, or recreational places to any of its citizens. ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಭೇದ ಭಾವವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನರು ಎನ್ನುವ ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ಹಕ್ಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್. ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. Right against exploitation. For example, domestic violence, taking dowry, employing children in certain industries such as beedi making, mining, cracker manufacturing, etc. Right to freedom of religion. The citizens of India have the right to accept and follow religion of their own choice. Cultural and educational right. People have right to protect their own language, script or culture and to establish educational institutions. Right to constitutional remedies. A citizen has the right to approach the court of justice in the event of violation of the fundamental rights. Fundamental duties. The fundamental rights and duties are the two sides of the same coin. The responsibility of an individual to his country is known as the duty. Originally, 10 fundamental duties were listed. Later on, by virtue of 86th Constitution, the amendment in year 2002, 11th duty was added. To abide by the Constitution, respect the national flag, national anthem, national symbols, etc., at all times. To honor the ideals which inspired India's national struggle for freedom. To follow, uphold, protect, and defend the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the nation. To promote harmony and spirit of brotherhood, religious tolerance, and respect for women. To preserve and maintain the heritage and cultural wealth of the country. To respect and protect the environment and public property. To develop the scientific attitude, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry. To safeguard public property and to oppose violence. Every citizen who is a parent or guardian should provide opportunities for education to his or her child. These are the fundamental duties of a citizen. Thank you.